And welcome to the Smash News Network. Whew. Least busted name in news. I'm your host, Dan, aka Smash-A-Mash, and we're doing a meteorology segment. So the first thing we're looking at are the jet streams of the eastern world. We've got some backward jet stream here over, pointing toward the Philippines and Papua New Guinea and so on. But a fairly concentrated jet stream there in the western Pacific, and a quite chaotic jet stream here around Australia. What about the surface winds of this side of the planet? Well, there they are. Strong system here southeast of Kamchatka and south of the outermost Aleutian Islands. You can see that counterclockwise rotation there, indicating low pressure for the northern hemisphere. Next, the surface winds of the western world. And there's a low pressure centered right over Iceland there. You can see another counterclockwise rotation right on Iceland. An indication that it is a low pressure system. Those rotate clockwise in the southern hemisphere, if you're wondering. How about the jet streams of the western world? There you go. And some cold air being injected into the northern portion of the U.S. there. Doubled up jet stream over the southwestern portion of the U.S. And some major kinks in the jet stream here over the central Atlantic Ocean. Let's blast through some more. And we're showing the European forecast here for snow accumulation. So this is the next 12-hour forecast. We're going to advance that to the next 3 days. So there's the 3-day forecast based on the European model for new snow. Let's see how the GFS model lines up. First, the temperature anomaly forecast. So this is the GFS 72-hour temperature anomaly forecast. Keep in mind the scale here is in Celsius degrees. And those light pink areas are like 16 plus degrees Celsius below normal. Here's the positive snow depth change on the GFS model, 72-hour forecast as well. And it's fairly consistent with the European model. Check tropicaltidbits.com if you want to make a more local forecast for yourself. Use the forecast GIF if you want to make an animation like this to place on your favorite social media. Next, your weather.gov map. And if your county's lit, just head to weather.gov and click on your county. Not all that many weather alerts at the moment. Next, your NASA GOES lightning mapper. We show it daily to show you the teeth of the storms. No terrestrial lightning over the U.S., it looks like. Let's consult the real-time lightning map to make sure. And lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzoltung.org. Got some lightning over the Gulf of Mexico. No terrestrial lightning over the U.S., so no shout-outs to thunder rolling in any place. By the way, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to our Twitch followers. Thanks also to our BitChute subscribers. We see a little uptick there in the activity on BitChute. By the way, BitChute subscribers, please support the channel via the links below the video. Perhaps consider becoming a member of the Smash team or picking up some great merch like this Mensa hat that I'm currently wearing. Mensa. Make Earth not suck again. It's up to you. Not giant heaving bureaucracies that can't even do their own jobs or get out of their own way. Most of the content is available on YouTube. Thanks to everybody on YouTube. Please press share, press like. Help us out with the algorithms by leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you're a new viewer. Next, moving into the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. As the Pacific Ocean affects U.S. weather, also South American weather, as the jet stream typically moves west to east. So this is sort of the breeding grounds for the weather that we see in the western world. And you can see a bit of an anticyclone here off the coast of Northern California, a bit of a clockwise rotation beginning to happen there. An anticyclone. Did you know that Jupiter's Great Red Spot is not a storm, but it's an anticyclone, a high pressure zone? It's true, folks. It's true, to quote Kurt Angle. Next, looking at the U.S. Doppler radar map, there are all 50 states. Quite a bit of precipitation here lingering over Alaska, and we'll focus on the lower 48 here. There's a U.S. Doppler radar map for the lower 48. Here is the shortwave radiation map. 3.9 nanometer radiation map, showing clouds and fog when it's too dark to use the visible satellite. And the water vapor map for our lower 48 vicinity. Some dry air there moving due south across Nevada, making for clear skies over most of the state, as well as most of Texas. So here's the recap. U.S. Doppler radar, showing vertical motion of water droplets. Here is the shortwave radiation map, showing the radiative spectra, photons at 3.9 nanometers wavelength. And here's the water vapor to close things out for your recap. Thanks again, everybody, for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-a-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.